Okay, it is 6 o'clock p.m. now on a Monday evening after work hours, and I'm supposed to go and pick up Chris Wee now, pick him up, and then we head to UTC at Shah Alam, and then we're gonna meet up with the owner of the Fiat 127, and then settle the remaining payment there, and then do the thumbprint. And once we're done with the thumbprint, that means that's the name change, and upon the name change we go downstairs and get the car some basic third-party insurance, and we're done with it. Yeah. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to let you all know that actually the process of changing the name of the car is sometimes, when you think about it, pretty much up to trust, because do you pay the guy first and do the name change, or you do the name change first then you pay the guy, right? So yeah. Continue later.
And you're recording me already?
Yes.
Oh, hello folks, I'm driving Bobby's 6 Series convertible. This is actually the first time I'm actually driving it. Thank you, Bobby.
You want to drop the top up to you?
No. Listen to this.
Nothing much.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty quiet.
Modern car.
Yeah. Very, very cool.
Yay.
Electronic parking brake. Yes. Whoa! Shh.
What the hell?
Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, folks, whatever I've said about buying old cars, forget it. Buy one of these. I've just, yes, this is something that you aspire to buy. Something like my cousin Z4, right, Bobby? You know,
Yeah,
it's like
man.
one of those cars that, no, you're not going to use it on a daily basis. You're just going to use it once in a while when the traffic's clear, when it's a nice evening, those 2 hours before it gets hot in the morning, and the 2 hours before it gets, or 1 hour before it gets dark at night. Put the top down and cruise. Just cruise. You can't really go fast in a convertible anyway. Even with the top up, if it's a rag top, this is gonna make a lot of noise. And when the top's down, you know, you're gonna get your hair all messed up. Of course, I don't have that problem, but yeah, others might. Can't believe it's taken me this long to drive Bobby's 6 Series. So nice. Okay. So yeah, I like it. Am I gonna buy it? No, of course not. Not yet. Not in that echelon just yet. Thank you, bro.
We are parking?
Yeah.
Oh, here.